Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing shape on pixllabe easily. Open the pixllabe, select a shape, remove the background color, adjust the shape, select the 3D shape, extrusion. Then select another shape, adjust the color of shape, remove the background color. Save the shape and photo, duplicate the photo, change the background color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.